Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Woolly Night Stitches, and I'm finally here with the Christmas start. Sorry it took so long, but I'm here, and we are going to work on this piece. I'm calling it the Cozy Fireplace because it's a cozy scene. This is an 11 count, and we are going to start on the fireplace. I think it's this we're going to work on, the mantle. So, the color we're using is 498. So, I think it's like a true Christmas red. Oh, I already got a knot in here. Okay. So, we're working on, if I can get it there. Hold on, I need my clips. Really been loving these sewing clips to keep my project folded and in a manageable size. Just hold that down. And this one's still stiff. I haven't scrunched it or worked on it any, so it's basically straight out the packet. Maybe one more. I think I will be ordering more of these. I really like them. The little clips. Got my needle minder on here. Yeah. Okay. Now we can get started. And I'm using the needles that come with 11 count. I want to say they're 24s. I usually work with the 28s, but just decided tonight that I'd use the big guys. I'm gonna clip that. So how has y'all's week gone? Y'all will be seeing this Friday morning. So it'll be the end of the week. Ooh, that's good coverage. Mine's been an okay week. Working. Fur baby had her appointment on Tuesday. She got her 3 milliliters of sub-Q fluids. She's doing good. She actually goes back to the doctor this Wednesday, I believe. This coming Wednesday, I think, to get her blood work done again. Because the last time she went for her vet checkup, they did, blood work and a whole whole panel on her for older dogs, and it came out that she is anemic, and they wanted to do blood work again in a month to compare it to see if she needs to be on a medication for it or not. So she'll get that done on Wednesday. Hopefully we'll get the results the next week, and we can go from there. She's actually gained weight, which is really good. We're getting kind of worried about her because she got down to 11 pounds. And if she lost much more, we're going to have to start seeing what our options were to get her to eat. But I asked the doctor if she could have, supplemental food, like fruits and veggies and things. And she said that she could, so she's been getting treats with dehydrated bananas, sweet potatoes, carrots in her food, and strawberries every once in a while. She doesn't get a ton of them, just here and there for treats, and I sprinkle a few carrots on top of one of her meals, which she absolutely loves. And she is now gained, in a month, she has gained 1.9 pounds, 1.8 pounds. She's now 12.8 pounds. So that's really, really good to see. I had a doctor's appointment a couple weeks ago. Everything was good there. They did an EKG because I've been having some double beats followed by a skipped beat. He said that my doctor said that's pretty common for my POTS. As long as it's not happening back to back to back to back, that I should be fine. Any of the medications that would help with it, if I was gonna go that route, is beta blockers, and I have been on beta blockers before, and we don't really get along. So if I don't need them, I'm not going to get on them. So he did an EKG and everything looked fine. So you just kind of gotta keep a watch on it and make sure they're not getting any worse or anything like that, and that I'm recovering quickly after the little episodes I have. So I'll have them every once in a while, maybe once a week or twice a week. But they happen. They take my breath away for a couple seconds, and then I'm good to go. So he said that was no big deal. So I'm good on that front. He also is going to refer me to the dentist that I need to see to get an opinion if this dentist thinks that I could possibly be allergic to the crowns in my mouth, to see if that's why I have tongue swelling. My tongue swelling has actually been going on for 3 years now, and it's real pain. So I'm really crossing my fingers that possibly this is it. Because that's where it's localized, is around my crowns, which I have two on either side of my mouth, my back molars. So, and that's where it's kind of localized at. But you know, you have to go see one doctor before you can see another doctor, and you just get bounced around till you find the right one. So I'm hoping. Actually need to email my doctor to see if they have put that referral in or not. I haven't heard anything yet. Also need to remember to write in that letter that they didn't put in one of my prescriptions that I need refills on. I had one that says I take famotidine for my tongue swelling, and I asked the doctor if it was okay for me to take it half a pill twice a day, and he said yes, that was perfectly fine. But the prescription that I was able to get only had half a pill once a day, so I need to get that taken care of as well. In my doctor's office, I wish I could just call him leave a message for the nurse, which you can, but they get really annoyed and they want you to email them, which I guess I kind of understand. And I live in the world that email is the first thing I go to. But I don't know. With medical stuff, I'd rather talk to a person. I guess those are the big life updates I have. Work's work. I had a call in on Wednesday because I got vertigo. It wasn't full on vertigo, but it was like right on the edge and had a huge cluster migraine. And I was like, nope, I'm just gonna stay home. I don't want to make this worse. Which my work's pretty good about. Call-ins and things. That's nice. Today was truck day and it was actually a very small truck. I think got it unloaded in an hour or so, which was really nice. So we actually got to work on putting some of the stuff out today. Go in the morning at 5 again to stock some shelves. I'm really wanting to get a massage. I got a gift card for my birthday to get one, but my work really sucks at making schedules. So we're supposed to have our schedule 2 to 3 weeks in advance. We have it less than a week in advance. They just don't know how to make a schedule to save their life. So I keep waiting and waiting this week to see when they're going to come out with next week's schedule. And as of right now, I'm only scheduled 2 days, but I know that will change. I'm just trying to see when my day off will be so that I can call and maybe get an appointment for that day. If not, I guess there's a week after that. I wish they would really learn how to make a schedule because it's a little ridiculous. So have all of you gotten your Christmas stuff up or started getting your Christmas tree up? I have not gotten it up yet. Keep thinking about it, knowing I need to do it, and I want to, but it's like I gotta clean this spot before I can do that, and then I gotta find where to put all this stuff. And this past week, I was doing that in this room, my office, because the fur baby has been having a hard time with her bladder, which just comes with her age and the kidney disease. So we decided to basically bubble wrap this room because it's where she likes to stay at when I'm not home. So we put plastic, like floor covering, hard plastic floor covering, on half of the room, which is where my desk's at, so I can roll my desk chair. And then the other half of the room has this massive quilted blanket, which doubles as a pee pad. So that's her area where she can lay down and stuff, which I thought was amazing when I found it. It's like a queen size quilted blanket, and on the reverse side it just has leak proof material on it. So if she does pee right there, I can just throw it in the washing machine, which is so much easier than cleaning the carpets. So I did have to clean the carpets the day before. I did lay down all this stuff so it could be dried. So I did that on Monday night, and then Tuesday my mom came up and helped me fix up the room, bubble wrap the room. I know it might seem a little crazy to do that, but I have carpet, not hardwood, or hardwood flooring. So it really is a pain when she pees in the floor, and this room is probably completely destroyed because of it. Really needs the carpet ripped out of this room, but I rent, so I can't do it. But oops. But this was the solution I came up with to help me out a little bit. Which, as of right now, it's working. Where did my scissors go? Which I was kind of worried, because she's real picky about things, and I was worried she wasn't even going to come in this room because of the plastic, but she does. I'm getting extremely excited for my new starts in the new year. It's really hard to wait. I will. What do y'all have plans for your new year, new start? This is a really pretty red. Like, I think this is a good Christmas red. 498. That's really pretty. Also, on the cross-stitching front, I have fallen in love with my Q-snap. And I want to get a larger sized one. So if you use a Q-snap, where do you get yours from? Because I'm completely on the bandwagon for Q-snaps for my pre-stamp. It's so much easier if I want to work in a hoop to get the pre-stamped in a Q-snap than in a hoop or on a scroll frame. So yes, if any of you were wondering how I was liking the Q-snaps, I love them. I'm using it right now on my Halloween piece, which is getting closer every day to being done. I just haven't had a whole lot of time to work on it. But we're getting there. We're getting there. To say it's been busy this month is like an understatement. I haven't even started on working on my focus piece this month. I guess I have two, but I was gonna do one at a time. Yeah, the last pack, the one with the horses on it, it's on my scroll frame. It's all ready to go. Set up on my stand, but I have not even touched it. Because I am trying to get Beauty finished. I want to get the Halloween piece finished. And yeah, that is gonna drive me nuts. Even cut that. So, I need y'all's help in the comments. I really want to start doing, working on a project with you guys every week, the same project, so you can see progress on it. Which of my pieces would y'all like to see? Comment below with your favorite project you want to see once a week. If you don't know all of my projects, I have a list of all the projects that I've stitched on here in my playlists. That's so you can go over there and look just to kind of refresh your memory. I used to do a weekly stitch with me on Sylvia's sword. Oh, I did that completely backwards, didn't I? So we could do that again, or the werewolf piece. Angel piece. That one's a little harder because I kind of need my magnifying glass for that one because it's 32 count. But I could set it up. I don't know. I have a ton of pieces. This piece, you know, do you want pre-stamp? Do you want counted? Let me know. Go look at that playlist and let me know which piece you'd like a weekly stitch with me on. So do any of you watch Gemma Stitches? I think it's Gemma Stitches. She just finished a Heaven and Earth piece. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. Tranquil Garden? Mediterranean Garden? I'm not sure. Something of that effect. And she just finished it and it looks really, really pretty. She works on higher count. She did that one on 14 count, I believe, so it's massive. But it looks so good. I and compared to me, she is definitely a monogamous stitcher. I know she works on a couple others now and then, but for the most part, she sticks with one piece and actually finishes pieces, unlike me. But that's okay. I like stitching on everything. We'll come back for those later. I have some collabs coming in probably next week. Hopefully before Christmas. Pretty excited about some of them. Alright guys, so here's something strange. I have started craving coffee at around 6 o'clock at night. I've resisted it most of the time, but tonight I do have my coffee. I know you guys are seeing this in the morning, but I'm recording this the night before. So I have coffee right now and I have to be up at 5 a.m. So we'll see how this works. I have no idea why I started craving coffee at night. I crave it in the morning. Partially because of habit, partially because coffee helps with my nausea. And with my POTS, I have a lot of nausea, especially in the morning time because I'm not a morning person. My body doesn't like the morning. So that's when it decides to hit me. And coffee really helps with that. But I have no idea why I'm craving it at night. Dude, come on, give me one more stitch thread. I think this is a big reason why I like my smaller needles is sharper and you can get through stitches better to end your thread. But they're easier to thread, so pick your battles. That's a pretty red. I wish it was coming out truer. So it is a little darker than what you're seeing on screen. Let me see if I turn this off. Not quite. That's okay. That's a true red right there. That's a true color. No, it's a little blurry, but that's the true color. So I think I'm gonna call it there for tonight, guys. I hope you all have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. I will do my best to have another video out on Sunday. And let me know in the comments your pick for a weekly Stitch With Me video. So pick my project, guys. I will talk to you all in the next ones. Keep stitching. Bye for now.